Reading to understand. All about elephants. Elephants are the world's largest land animal. Elephants are known for their large ears, ivory tusks, and their long trunks. There are three different species of elephant: the African savanna, the African forest, and the Asian. Male African elephants can reach 3 meters tall and weigh between 4,000 and 7,500 kilograms. Asian elephants are slightly smaller, reaching 2.7 meters tall and weighing between 3,000 and 6,000 kilograms. African elephants have large ears shaped like the continent of Africa. Asian elephants have smaller ears and shaped like India. These magnificent mammals spend between 12 to 18 hours eating grass, plants, and fruit every single day. They use their long trunks to smell their food and lift it up into their mouth. After a river or swamp bath, they will throw mud and sand up and over themselves to protect their skin from the hot, burning sun. Clever elephants! Elephant's poo keeps the soil fertile and distributes tree seeds. Elephants also dig water holes and create footpaths, literally changing the landscape around them. Elephants uses their ivory tusks for digging, lifting objects, gathering food, stripping bark from trees to eat, and defense. Elephant tusks never stop growing. Both male and female African elephants grow tusks, but only male Asian elephants grow them. A tuskless adult elephant is likely to be a female Asian elephant. Sadly, many elephants are killed by humans for their tusks. There are far fewer Asian elephants than there are African elephants. Vocabulary. Find the meaning of these words: trunk, tusk, swamp, protect, mammal. Let's check your answers. Can you make words from the word elephant? The first one is done for you. True or false? Number 1. Elephants are smallest land animal. Number 2. There are elephants in India and Africa. Number 3. Asian elephants have bigger ears compared to African elephants. Number 4. There are many elephants around the world. Number 5. Elephants are meat eaters. Let's check your answers. Answer these questions. Number 1. How many species of elephants are there? Number 2. What are elephants known for? Number 3. Why do elephants cover themselves with mud or sand after bath? Number 4. What do elephants eat? Number 5. What do elephants use their trunks for? Number 6. What is the weight of an Asian elephant? Number 7. What do elephants do to change the landscapes around them? Number 8. What is the purpose of their task? Number 9. Why are there fewer elephants? Number 10. How can we stop elephants from becoming extinct? Let's check your answers. Well done!